Welcome back to Daily Drives, the ultimate destination for all things automotive. If you love cars, reviews, and the latest updates from the automobile world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today we have something truly exciting, the brand new Toyota Grand Vitara 2026. Toyota has once again raised the bar with this SUV, blending style, technology, and performance into one stunning package. Stick around as we dive deep into every detail of this beast. Toyota has been a dominant player in the SUV market for decades, and the Grand Vitara has been one of its most celebrated models. The 2026 version continues the legacy with a fresh new design, improved performance, and cutting-edge technology. Toyota has crafted this SUV to cater to modern drivers who seek a balance of comfort, performance, and efficiency. Whether you're a city commuter or an adventure enthusiast, the Grand Vitara 2026 has something for you. Starting with the design, Toyota has gone for a bold and futuristic look. The front grille is larger and more aggressive, giving the SUV a commanding presence on the road. Sleek LED headlights integrate seamlessly into the front fascia, providing excellent visibility while adding a premium touch. The sculpted body lines enhance aerodynamics, while the sharp edges and chrome accents make the Grand Vitara look even more sophisticated. The 2026 model also offers an array of stylish alloy wheel designs, ranging from 17-inch to 19-inch options depending on the variant. Moving to the side profile, the Grand Vitara maintains its muscular stance, with pronounced wheel arches and a higher ground clearance, perfect for off-road adventure. The roof line slopes gently towards the rear, adding a sporty touch while ensuring ample headroom for passengers. Toyota has also introduced new dual-tone color schemes, giving buyers more customization options. The rear is equally stylish, featuring sleek LED taillights that extend into the tailgate, a roof spoiler, and a redesigned bumper that adds to the SUV's rugged appeal. Under the hood, the Toyota Grand Vitara 2026 comes with multiple engine options to cater to different driving needs. The standard variant features a 2-liter naturally aspirated engine producing around 170 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a CVT automatic, providing smooth and efficient performance for daily driving. For those seeking more power, Toyota offers a 1.5-liter turbocharged hybrid engine, delivering an impressive 190 horsepower while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. The hybrid system combines an electric motor with the gasoline engine, reducing emissions and improving mileage. This makes the Grand Vitara an ideal choice for environmentally conscious drivers. Toyota has also introduced an all-wheel drive AWD variant for off-road enthusiasts. The AWD system intelligently distributes power to all 4 wheels, ensuring maximum traction on rough terrain. With multiple drive modes including Eco, Sport, and Off-Road, the Grand Vitara 2026 adapts to various driving conditions effortlessly. Let's talk interior. When it comes to the interior, Toyota has taken luxury and comfort to the next level. The cabin is spacious and packed with high-quality materials including soft-touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and wood or aluminum trims depending on the variant. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system offering seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's advanced navigation system. The driver gets a fully digital 10-inch instrument cluster providing real-time data on speed, fuel efficiency, and navigation. The multi-tension steering wheel comes with audio, cruise control, and voice command buttons, ensuring that drivers can stay focused on the road. Passengers in the rear seats will appreciate the ample legroom thanks to the optimized wheelbase. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, featuring adjustable headrests and reclining options. Toyota has also added a panoramic sunroof, flooding the cabin with natural light and enhancing the overall driving experience. The Grand Vitara 2026 comes loaded with technology and safety features. It includes Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. Other tech features include a wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, a premium JBL audio system with 12 speakers, and a rear seat entertainment package, ensuring that everyone stays entertained on long journeys. Toyota has also integrated an AI-based voice assistant, allowing drivers to control various functions using simple voice commands. One of the biggest highlights of the Toyota Grand Vitara 2026 is its fuel efficiency. Thanks to Toyota's hybrid technology, the SUV delivers an impressive mileage of around 20 km per liter for the hybrid variant, Even the standard gasoline version offers competitive efficiency, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. Toyota has also prioritized sustainability with this model. The Grand Vitara 2026 uses eco-friendly materials in its interior, and the hybrid variant significantly reduces carbon emissions. The company is committed to achieving carbon neutrality, and this SUV is a step in the right direction. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Grand Vitara 2026 offers a balanced ride. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for better comfort and stability, absorbing road imperfections effortlessly. The steering is precise, providing good feedback whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. The AWD variant in particular shines in off-road conditions. With hill descent control, terrain response modes, and improved ground clearance, it can tackle rough trails with ease. Toyota has engineered this SUV to handle both urban and adventure settings without compromising on comfort. In terms of pricing, Toyota has positioned the Grand Vitara 2026 competitively. The base variant starts at around $25,000, while the hybrid and AWD models go up to $35,000 depending on the features and trim level. Given the advanced technology, safety features, and premium build quality, the Grand Vitara offers great value for money. Toyota provides a comprehensive warranty package including a 5-year/100,000 km standard warranty and an 8-year warranty for the hybrid battery. This ensures peace of mind for buyers, knowing that they are investing in a reliable and well-supported vehicle. With its modern design, advanced features, fuel-efficient powertrains, and excellent safety package, the Toyota Grand Vitara 2026 is undoubtedly one of the best SUVs in its segment. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a family SUV, or an off-road adventurer, this vehicle ticks all the boxes. Toyota has once again delivered a product that blends reliability, innovation, and practicality in a way that few automakers can match. What are your thoughts on the all-new Toyota Grand Vitara 2026? Would you consider it for your next SUV? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Toyota Grand Vitara 2026, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily Drives. Your support helps us bring more exciting automotive content your way. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, and we'll see you in the next video. Safe driving, everyone.